take a nice deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Just think about relaxing every muscle in your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Just begin to relax and begin to notice how very comfortable your body is beginning to feel. You are supported, so you can just let go and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice your breathing. Notice the rhythm of your breathing. And relax your breathing for a moment. Be aware of normal sounds around you. These sounds are unimportant. Discard them. Whatever you hear from now on will only help to relax you. And as you breathe out, release any tension, any stress from any part of your body, mind and thought. Just let that stress go. Just feel any stressful thoughts rushing through your mind. Begin to wind down, down and relax. And begin with letting all the muscles in your face relax, especially your jaw. Let your teeth part just a little bit and relax this area. This is a place where tension and stress gather. So be sure and relax your jaw and feel that relaxation go into your temples and relax the muscles in your temples. And as you think about relaxing these muscles, they in turn will relax. Feel them relax. And as you relax, you will be able to just drift and float into a deeper and deeper level of total relaxation. You'll continue to relax, and now let all the muscles in your forehead relax. Feel those muscles smooth and relaxed, and rest your eyes. Just imagine your eyelids feeling so comfortable, so heavy, so very heavy, so relaxed. And now, let all of the muscles in the back of your neck and shoulders relax. Feel a heavy, heavy weight being lifted off your shoulders, and you feel relieved, lighter, and more relaxed. And all of the muscles in the back of your neck and shoulders relax. And feel that soothing relaxation go down your back. Down, down, down to the lower part of your back. And those muscles let go. And with every breath you take, just feel your body drifting, floating, down deeper, down deeper, down deeper, into total relaxation. Let your muscles go, relaxing more and more. Let all of the muscles in your shoulders running down your arms to your fingertips relax. And let your arms feel so heavy, so comfortable, so relaxed. You may have tingling in your fingertips, or warmth in the palms of your hands, that's perfectly fine. And you may feel that you could barely lift your arms should you need to. They're so relaxed, so heavy, so very heavy, so relaxed. And now as you breathe in once again, you can relax your chest muscles. And as you breathe out, feel your stomach muscles relax. As you breathe out, relax all of the muscles in your stomach. Let them go. And all of the muscles in your legs, feel them relax so completely, right to the tips of your toes. Notice how very comfortable your body feels, just drifting and floating, deeper, deeper relaxed. And as you are relaxing deeper and deeper, I want you to imagine a beautiful staircase. There are 10 steps, and the steps lead you to a special and peaceful and beautiful place. In a moment, you can begin to imagine taking a safe and gentle and easy step down on the staircase, leading you to a very peaceful, a very special place for you. You can imagine it to be any place you choose. Perhaps you'd enjoy a beach or ocean with clean, fresh air, or the mountains with a stream. Any place is perfectly fine. In a moment, I'm going to count backwards from 10 to 1, and you can imagine taking the steps down. And as you take each step, feel your body relax more and more. Feel it just drift down each step, and relax deeper and deeper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deeper, deeper relaxed. And now imagine a peaceful and special place. You can imagine this special place. Perhaps you can even feel it. You are alone, and there is no one to disturb you. This is the most peaceful place in the world for you. Imagine yourself there and feel that sense of peace flow through you. And sense the well-being. And enjoy these positive feelings and keep them with you long after this session is completed. Allow these positive feelings to grow stronger and stronger, feeling at peace with a sense of well-being. And each and every time that you choose to do this kind of relaxation, and each and every time you hear my voice, you will be able to relax deeper and deeper. And now I'd like you to imagine you're in a beautiful garden with lush, manicured lawns and beautiful exotic plants. The sun is shining and there's a cool breeze. The temperature is just as you'd like it. And there is absolutely no pollen in this garden, as the air here is pure and fresh. And as you marvel at the vivid colours all around you, you hear the relaxing sound of birds singing overhead. And I'd like you to take a deep breath. And as you breathe out, you relax deeper and deeper. And as you stroll around the garden, feeling the soft grass underfoot, you wander towards some beautiful flowers. And as you approach them, the scent grows more fragrant than anything you have ever experienced, and the rich colours brighter than you have ever seen. Take a deep breath again and inhale the soft, warm and perfumed air. And as you breathe out, relax deeper and deeper. And as you continue on your way, you come to a pretty, winding pathway which leads you down to the beach. And as you wander along, relaxing deeper and deeper with every step, you soon reach the beautiful beach with miles of golden sand. And as you slip off your shoes and stroll across the soft sand, you gaze out into the distance and see the vastness of the sea. And you watch as the waves roll towards the beach in a never-ending sequence, one after another. And you hear the sound of the waves building up and then petering out as they near the beach. And you feel a growing sense of peace and calm as the warm sea air lightly brushes your skin. And as your feet sink into the sand with every step you take, so you are relaxing deeper and deeper with every step. And soon you reach the wet sand near to where the sea begins, and you notice how much louder the sea is up close as wave after wave rolls towards you. And your feet now sink down deeper than before into the wet sand. And when you reach the sea, you gently let your toes test the water, which is slightly cold at first, but soon warms as you take a few more steps into the water. And as you allow the waves to roll over your feet and ankles and then retreat again, you breathe in the fresh, salty sea air and relax deeper and deeper. After a while, you stroll back up the beach to a most inviting deck chair, which is there especially for you. And there's a sunshade and a table with your favourite refreshing drink. And as you adjust the sunshade so that it sits just right for you, you lie back in the chair with your drink. And as you take a deep breath once more, you relax deeper and deeper still as you breathe out. And as you gaze out at the calm blue sea, you see the waves lapping lazily on the beach and hear the sound of the seagulls up above. You notice a fishing boat with its colourful sail gently bobbing up and down. The sun is shining brightly. The sky is clear blue. Not a cloud in the sky. And you're feeling more and more relaxed as you doze in your deck chair. without a care in the world. You relax deeper and deeper. And now, as you continue to relax deeper and deeper, you are feeling calm and confident. You have already begun to change your eating habits and feel pleased and proud of yourself. You know that the way you eat now is rational, and you feel more and more in control of your eating habits every day. And now your stomach feels smaller. You feel satisfied on smaller portions of food at each and every mealtime. You are so pleased and proud of yourself for making the positive decision to have your virtual gastric band surgery. You are so proud that you are taking the action to make all the changes you need to lose the excess weight that you have been carrying around for so long. You feel comfortable and more relaxed as you prepare now to meet your surgeon. You imagine getting up on the morning of the meeting day. You feel excited as you get showered and dressed. You eat breakfast and notice the feeling of pride and pleasure as you eat it slowly and mindfully, stopping as soon as you notice that you are no longer hungry. And now you set off to meet the surgeon at his clinic. Take a few moments now to visualize your journey. And now you arrive at the surgeon's clinic, feeling excited but relaxed. You give your name to the receptionist, and she asks you to take a seat in the waiting room. You enjoy having a few moments just to sit back and read a magazine. Or perhaps you just take this time to sit quietly and enjoy your thoughts. Whilst in the waiting room, you chat to a lady who tells you she is here for her follow-up appointment. She had her surgery 6 weeks ago and is doing fantastically well. She has already lost a stone in weight. She looks amazing. You chat about the procedure, and she reassures you how painless and straightforward it is. Looking at her now, you feel even more convinced that this is the right thing for you to do. After a short while, your name is called, and you go into the surgeon's clinic. In the surgeon's clinic, there are lots of photographs on the wall. As you look closer, you see that these photographs are of previous patients before and after their surgery. The difference between the two pictures is amazing. You imagine your before and after pictures hanging on that wall in just a few short weeks. Picture the clinic in your mind. What colour are the walls? Is the furniture modern or old-fashioned? The surgeon stands up to shake your hand. He gives you a warm welcome, and you feel totally at ease. Imagine the surgeon's face as he greets you. He reminds you of someone you feel comfortable and safe with. Perhaps he reminds you of someone you already know. Someone you have total confidence in. You have complete confidence in your surgeon, and you listen carefully as he explains your virtual gastric band surgery procedure to you. Your trust in your surgeon grows stronger and stronger as he confidently answers all your questions and takes his time to explain everything to you in full. And now your surgeon explains that this virtual gastric band surgery procedure you have chosen to undergo is completely safe and totally risk-free. You feel completely safe and confident and know that your surgeon is highly skilled. He has carried out this virtual gastric band procedure many hundreds of times, and his clients have all successfully lost all the excess weight that they no longer want or need, slowly and confidently. You listen now as your surgeon explains to you exactly how he plans to carry out your virtual gastric band surgery. He uses a technique known as keyhole surgery, and in most cases, the operation is completed within 25 to 35 minutes. He explains that during this time, you will feel totally relaxed and comfortable, as if you were in a deep sleep, and will experience absolutely no discomfort whatsoever. Once the surgery is complete, you will be taken to a recovery room to rest for a short while, and then you will be allowed to go home. On the day of your surgery, you will check in at reception and then be taken to a private room where you will be given a hospital gown to change into, and then asked to make yourself comfortable on the bed until it's time for your procedure. The theatre nurse will make all the checks needed on your temperature and blood pressure, and your pulse will be taken. A small plastic identity bracelet will be placed on your wrist. You will be given some medication to take so that you begin to relax before being taken to the operating theatre. The surgeon asks if you would like to ask any questions, and you feel confident and happy that you are in safe hands. He goes on to explain that when you arrive in the operating theatre, there will be an anaesthetist present, and he will give you an anaesthetic which will make you sleepy and deeply relaxed. He will monitor you all the time you are undergoing your virtual gastric band procedure. He's calm and confident, and you feel totally relaxed and know that this is the right thing for you to do. Once the anaesthetic has taken full effect and you are totally anaesthetized, your surgeon will carry out your virtual gastric band procedure by making 4 or 5 tiny incisions through which he's able to pass the instruments he needs, and a camera to enable him to fit your gastric band. It is now very simple for him to fit your gastric band around the top part of your stomach, and then adjust the band to make a small opening by tightening it gently. This will create a pouch about the size of a golf ball at the top of your stomach, which will make it very easy for you to eat a very small amount of food at each meal and be totally satisfied. When he has finished fitting your gastric band, your surgeon will fit an adjustment port and a reservoir tube just under the skin of your stomach. This will make it very easy for any adjustment to be made to your band in the future. After this has been completed, your surgeon will close the tiny incisions with dissolvable stitches, and you will be taken to the recovery room, where the theatre nurse will look after you as you slowly wake up. A few hours later, you will be free to go home. You will leave the recovery room feeling totally relaxed and confident that your gastric band has been fitted correctly, and that you will now eat tiny portions of healthy, nutritious food. You will successfully lose all the excess weight that you no longer want or need. You will become healthier, slimmer and fitter, and know that you are totally in control of losing weight and getting rid of your unwanted fat. You have listened to everything your surgeon has explained to you and are now happy to sign the consent form for your surgery. As you leave the surgeon's clinic now, you are feeling really happy and confident. You are more motivated now than ever before to create the most healthy and positive life for yourself. You have complete confidence and trust in your surgeon. You are really looking forward to the day of your surgery and the start of your new, healthy lifestyle. As you continue to relax now, you picture the size your stomach will be after your gastric band surgery. You imagine it now, the size of a golf ball. You can actually feel your stomach shrinking as you squeeze your golf ball in your hand. You feel your stomach shrinking smaller and smaller, and you are looking forward to eating small, nutritious meals. You will eat smaller, nutritious meals at regular intervals, and you will enjoy taking care of yourself, becoming slimmer, fitter and healthier. Every day now you take control over your eating and begin to live the happier, healthier life you now know that you deserve to have. You feel a huge sense of pride and pleasure as you prepare for your surgery day. You are totally aware of the amount you're eating. You find it easy to leave food on your plate as soon as you realize that you are no longer hungry. You are surprised to find that you only think of food when you are physically hungry, and you are in total control of your eating. You are eating less day by day, and now you notice an increase in your interest in exercise. You take a little more exercise every day and feel a huge sense of pride and pleasure each and every time you move around a little more than you did before. You will look for more and more ways to increase your exercise and enjoy the feeling of pride in yourself as you become slimmer, fitter, and healthier day by day. Regardless of the stress and tension that may surround your life, you will now remain more at peace, more calm, and more relaxed. You will no longer be anxious about your weight, and things that used to worry you will now just calm and relax you. And now you can just drift off into a deep, relaxing, refreshing sleep. If you need to, you can gently remove your headphones and turn off this recording before settling down into a comfortable position for drifting off to sleep. You will wake up in the morning relaxed and refreshed from having a wonderful night's sleep. Good night.